My former boss thought he could steal my work and take all the credit. I'd been working at Innovative Solutions, a small software firm, for 3 years, developing a proprietary AI algorithm that was supposed to be our golden goose. My boss, Mark, was a classic ideas guy, full of grandiose visions but lacking any technical expertise. As development progressed, Mark started insinuating himself more and more into my work, attending meetings he wasn't invited to, peppering me with inane questions, and generally making himself a nuisance. The turning point came when I presented a fully functional prototype to the board. Mark, in front of everyone, declared he had spearheaded the project, downplaying my role to that of a glorified coder. I seethed but kept my mouth shut. He then orchestrated my layoff a week later, citing restructuring and budgetary constraints, all while simultaneously applying for a patent under his name using my AI. That's when I started planning. I knew I couldn't directly attack him. That would be messy and potentially illegal. Instead, I focused on dismantling his entire operation with extreme prejudice, entirely within the bounds of the law and with my hands impeccably clean. My first step was securing airtight documentation: emails, code commits with timestamps, meeting minutes, anything that unequivocally proved my ownership of the AI's intellectual property. I then contacted a former colleague, Sarah, a brilliant lawyer who'd left the firm on less than friendly terms with Mark. She agreed to help pro bono, sensing the injustice. Next, I created a fault in the AI. Not a bug, but a deliberate design choice only I knew about. A specific sequence of inputs that, while seemingly harmless, would trigger a cascade of subtle errors leading to incorrect outputs. Only under specific, highly complex scenarios. Scenarios that would be incredibly difficult to detect during initial testing, but would inevitably surface under real-world usage. I rewrote some key algorithms in a way that this fault